Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I gave my master bedroom and bathroom a budget-friendly makeover. I am going with the boho chic theme. I am really loving the style right now for my bedroom, and I just absolutely love how everything turned out. Everything looks super cozy and very relaxing, and I did it on a budget. So I'm going to tell you where I purchased everything, and I will leave links for items that I purchased off of Amazon. So I hope that you all enjoy this video. I hope it inspires you to do some decorating of your own, and I will be doing a little bit of cleaning as well. So if you are looking for some cleaning motivation, I hope this gets you up and moving to do some cleaning as well.
And it shows, if I'm honest, you're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you,
Okay, so I do want to say that I am totally going out of my box with this color. I normally stick to the really light colors for my bedroom, and I originally was going to purchase a duvet cover from Target, and it was a blue color. And I did ask in my last video if you guys can take some guesses on what color you think I went with, and I want to say probably 90% of you said either like a blue or a green color, which was definitely my first choice. But when I found this crushed velvet duvet cover on Amazon, I just loved it, and I thought that the color contrast between this and the whites in my room would look so incredibly beautiful, and I am so happy that I went with this one. Also, it was very inexpensive. I will leave a link for you down in my description box in case you are interested. So for this bedroom makeover, I really wanted to add some pretty ruffled panels to my window treatment, and I did have to run to the store and purchase a curtain rod, and I picked this one up at HomeGoods, and it was only $19.99. And the color of this curtain rod and the distressing on it works perfectly here in my bedroom. And then on Amazon I found these beautiful panels with the ruffled edge, and they were really long, which that is exactly what I was looking for. So I did have my husband hang the curtain rod, and then I just put the curtains up myself, and they look absolutely gorgeous, and I can close these pretty easily as well. And I just love the way they look, and they just add that extra softness here in the bedroom. Okay, so now I'm going to make a small arrangement that's just going to sit right off of my bed on my nightstand, and I picked up this vase at Marshall's. It was $7.99, and the color goes perfectly with the bedding. And then these are some florals that I had already had. I bought these at Walmart, I want to say last year, and I'm using 3 stems of the eucalyptus and then 2 of the roses, and each stem was $3. Okay, so now that I have the master bedroom finished and cleaned and decorated, I'm heading on into the master bathroom. And for in here, the first thing that I'm going to do is just switch out the window treatment. I decided to take the panels that I had up on the chandelier down, and I'm going to actually add those to my window treatment. And the reason for this is because I'm going to be adding some candles to my bath area, and I cannot burn real candles with those panels there. So that's why I'm doing that, and I actually love the way this turned out. I think it looks really pretty, and I love the way the lace panels added that softness and romantic feel to this window. So once I took those panels down that were made to look like a canopy above my bathtub, I noticed that the wall here just looked really bare, and I thought it would look so pretty if I added a little bit of a boho chic style looking shelf. And I went with this really pretty macrame shelf that I found off of Amazon, and lately I have just been so obsessed with plants. I want them in every single room, and I just can't get enough of them. I just love the way they make a space look cozy and just really calming. And I thought that a potho plant would look perfect here on this shelf above the bathtub. So that's what I went ahead and added right here to this wall. So I was looking all over my house for something with that rusty burgundy color that would kind of tie in with the bedroom, and the only thing that I could find was this teacup and saucer, and I thought it would look perfect in here. It has that romantic shabby chic feel, and I just came up with this off the top of my head, and it just worked out perfectly. So what I did was I just added a few pebbles down at the bottom to kind of raise up this plant just a little bit, and this is a orchid that my youngest son had bought me for Mother's Day, I want to say 2 years ago, and I'm actually surprised it's still alive, but I thought it looked really pretty in this teacup. And then I found these faux succulents at Walmart, and they were like, I want to say they were like $2 a piece or less than that, and then I just added them to this milk glass saucer or candle holder. I don't know exactly what it is. So now that my bathtub is all clean, I'm going to style the tray that I have sitting on top here. And my husband made this tray for me. I know I will get asked where I purchased it. And then when I was at Marshall's, I found these really pretty rose scented bath soaps. They're like petals, and you just drop them in your bath and they dissolve. And I love these, and I thought they would look so pretty sitting here in this little candy dish. I want to say this is a candy dish. I'm not sure what it is, but it holds these rose scented soaps perfectly, and I love the way it looks. And I know I'll probably get asked about that candle holder as well, and I purchased that at Kirkland's a few years ago. So the last thing that I'm going to be doing in here is just running the vacuum, making sure everything is all nice and clean, and then I'm going to go ahead and start my oil diffuser. And today I will be using a scent called Sweet Dreams, and it is by Woolsey's, and I picked this up at Marshall's. I love, love, love the brand Woolsey's for my essential oils. And don't click out just yet. This video is actually part of a giveaway as well. So stay tuned to the very end, and I'm going to show you what I will be giving away, and I will also be giving you the details on how you can enter.
And even now, when we are old, stay in my heart, 'cause I wanna know how to move on. It's been a while since you found me here. I was in the mud under all. Yeah, it's been a while, but I remember it. Even if I lose my mind, I'd still recall that even now, when time has passed, I owe you all. 'Cause I could not bring myself to try. And even now, when we are old, stay in my heart, 'cause I wanna know how to move on. Even now, when time...
I am so incredibly happy with how this makeover turned out. I love the cozy feeling that I have every time I walk into this bedroom. I love how inviting my bathtub is and how relaxing it is to just sit in a nice hot bath and soak. And I just love all the plants that I have been adding to my home as well. And I did pick up something at the store that I will be giving away. I will show you that in just a few seconds, but I want to say thank you to all of you that have been watching my videos, subscribing to my channel. It really means so much to me, and one of these days I know that I will do a really big giveaway. I just have not been, I guess, in the place to give a really big giveaway, but I found something at the store that you guys have always loved seeing in my home, and I thought it would be perfect for a giveaway. So if you follow me over on Instagram, you will have known about this giveaway already, but I am just really excited to share it with you, and I just wanted to come on here really quickly and say thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you so, so, so much. Okay, so I would also like to let you know that this video is going to be a giveaway, and this is what you will be receiving. I get asked about my oil diffuser all the time. I have one exactly like this, and it is a hand-blown glass ultrasonic diffuser, and I absolutely love it. Anytime I have this in any of my YouTube videos, I always get asked about it, as well as my videos that I have up on Instagram. So I saw one of these and grabbed it right away. You can also purchase these on Amazon, but they seem to sell out very fast. So I thought that this would be a perfect video to add this into a giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away one of these diffusers, and it does come with some essential oils. I'm also going to be giving away this relaxing spa collection gift box, and it comes with slippers, foot scrub, body lotion, and a hair turban. And this is what you will be getting, and I cannot wait to give this away to one of you guys. So the details of this giveaway will be in my description box, but what you will have to do to enter is just comment down below that you want to be entered. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel give me a thumbs up, and that is it. So I just want to wish everybody good luck. I am going to leave the details, like I said, down below, and I cannot wait to be giving this away to one of you guys. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you guys all have an amazing day. See you in the next one. Bye.